I keep seeing these Amazon affiliate sites that make money through referring people to product pages. They create content for a specific niche, which helps customers decide what to buy. When they click through the affiliate links on the site and purchase from Amazon, it results in a commission for the site owner. Everyone knows you can make money with affiliate marketing, but I want to know if it's possible to do it completely passively. Let's find out. You can actually make one of these affiliate sites using templates that are available for free. This is a list of WordPress themes which are free to use. There are also lots of plugins that make it much easier by allowing you to add content in the form of comparison tables, product boxes, and bestseller lists to help people decide what to buy. Right now I'm in a fortunate position where I've got more money than time, so in the interest of making this passive, it made sense for me to buy one of these affiliate websites pre-made. If you've got more time than money, then it makes sense to do it yourself. There are loads of companies now that offer ready-made sites to buy. They do the research to find profitable niches, and then you can pick whatever you want based on the stats that they provide. This is a company called Brand Builders, and there's others like Human Proof Designs and more. I want to say at this point that none of these companies have paid me or given me a free site, and as usual, I'll be totally honest regarding my experience. This is an example of a site available on Human Proof Designs. The niche is beard trimming, and it already has content on it. It shows the volume of searches per month, the average commission rate, and estimated earnings. These companies typically let you look at the site they've created before you buy it. They're like any Amazon affiliate site really, content to help a customer decide what to buy with affiliate links in the articles. I decided to buy one from Human Proof Designs because they seemed one of the best services based on independent reviews, and I paid full price. Let me know in the comments if you're interested, and I'll talk about the site that I got in another video. After buying the site, I got my first commission within a month. Someone bought a phone case, and I got 87 cents profit. My site isn't even about phone cases, but if someone clicks your affiliate link and then buys anything on Amazon within a certain time period, you get the commission. About a week later, I got a proper commission. A customer bought a product within my niche that cost $400 after clicking my link. I got $12 profit. The fact that the site worked out of the box was a great motivator for me to learn more. My understanding of affiliate marketing was very basic, so I thought it would be useful to make a video series for beginners who want to follow along without getting overwhelmed. I'll explain exactly what I've learned and what benefit it was. Firstly, the more people visiting your site, the more likely you are to get a commission, so the first thing you need to know is how to generate traffic. There's two main ways as far as I understand it. Number one is creating good quality content in the form of written articles so you can rank on Google and other search engines. You can write the content yourself, but it'll cost time, or you can pay someone else to do it and it'll cost money. Since this is all about passive affiliate marketing, I decided to pay someone else. I found search engine optimization experts that would write articles that rank for a reasonable fee on Upwork. Good quality writers charge about $10 to $20 per article, but since I was going for the most passive option possible, I decided to pay Human Proof Designs to do it for me. They've got a service where they research and create content, including images, and update the website for you. You literally don't have to do anything. It's definitely not the cheapest option, that's for sure, but it is the least effort. The second way to generate traffic is by building backlinks to your website. What the heck are backlinks exactly? These are links to your website from other websites that search engines already trust. If you've got trustworthy sources linking to your site, it shows search engines that you're probably trustworthy too, so you're more likely to rank higher up in the search results, which means more people are going to click on your site. I'm going to pay Human Proof Designs to start building backlinks too, so my website gets more authority. Again, you can do it for free yourself, but it takes time and effort. If there's interest, I'll go into detail about what my site is and document its progress. Even if it's a load of I'll still document the failure of it, and you can learn some expensive lessons vicariously through me. I've purchased everything I mentioned in this video as a regular old customer. The site cost around $1,300, which included training on how to make a success of it. and I also signed up to their affiliate program, so if anyone plans to do the same as me and has found this information helpful, I'd appreciate it if you could use my link in the description. Of course, there are many other services out there, and some of them are cheaper than this, but after researching, I decided this was the one for me because of all the features and the positive reviews. I always thought that affiliate marketing was a bit of a dirty business, and it probably is, but at the very least it'll make an interesting case study for you and anyone else thinking about doing it. Thank you once again to everyone involved in passive ethics, especially these absolute bosses. If you're new here, I make videos about passive income through print on demand. Watch this next to find out how to get started. Let me know in the comments if you found this interesting and subscribe if you want to see future updates.